Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. You all have heard this term, but what is it, how it works, and how you can benefit from it? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin and how to make money with it. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. So now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Cryptocurrencies are a form of money that allows you to hold assets digitally. And the king of these cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also a form of cryptocurrency, which means holding assets in the digital world. It was launched in 2009, and within a span of just 13 years, it has become more valuable than even gold and diamond. A single coin is equivalent to $19,000, and a total of 19.07 million coins are in circulation. So how is it that a simple idea generated in a single mind is now so valuable? So valuable that a single coin of Bitcoin, which does not even have a physical shape, is worth 350 grams of gold. It all started with a white piece of paper. In October 2008, a guy who deliberately named himself Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper within. He envisaged the future of a virtual currency. He said he presented the idea of a virtual currency that would function as a physical currency. This currency will be based on peer-to-peer transactions, and this would enable its users to transfer money wherever in the world without any hassle. And by predicament, I mean the current banks. And the best part is that this will be regulated by those who use it, not by banks or other institutions. Without any doubt, Bitcoin is now the most well-known form of cryptocurrency in the market and the most valuable cryptocurrency. Bitcoin operates on a new type of database called a blockchain network. A system within a record of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency transaction is kept across numerous computers linked in a peer-to-peer network. These computers are operated by people called miners. Miners use special devices called mining machines, called ASICs, which verify complex mathematical equations behind every Bitcoin transaction. This database would keep track of every single Bitcoin transaction being made in a transparent ledger. Did I make it confusing? Don't worry, let me make it simple. Let us compare this to a bank ledger that keeps all financial records to itself, and only the bank can see it and has complete control over it. But unlike banks, the ledger of Bitcoin is transparent, meaning that anybody can have a look into all of the transaction and balances that are taking place. And the only thing you cannot see is who owns these balances. Like other currencies, Bitcoin is also a currency, but a vital one, and not under the control of any central authority. By central, we mean the body of government that regulates the monetary system of a country, which in most cases is the central bank. It is designed to replace or act as a physical currency, which it is doing very well now. People can make purchases using Bitcoin as a currency. The first ever purchase that was made in Bitcoin was in 2010 by a guy named Laszlo Anu. At that time, Laszlo bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins, which equaled $35 at the time. Had he known that these delicious pizzas would cost him $500 million, he would never have eaten them. But these things keep happening. Come back to the topic. Ways to make money with Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoin can be a good opportunity. When it was launched, nobody had imagined that it would travel so far and make hundreds of people millionaires. But now it has happened and is a reality. A lot of people bought these coins hoping that their price would go up and they would make a profit of them. And this is what happened. You can also do the same by buying Bitcoins and then waiting for the price to go up, which will in turn bring you a profit. However, it might not work the same for you as it did for others. It is risky because of the volatility in the marketplace. The price of every cryptocurrency, not just Bitcoin, keeps fluctuating, making it highly risky. Become a Bitcoin lender. You heard me, Bitcoin lender. Bitcoin lender is also a profitable business where one party lends Bitcoin to another with an interest rate on it. Bitcoin shareholders will charge interest on lending Bitcoin to someone, and the interest rate is as per the agreement. Consequently, it brings them a good amount of profit. You can lend in the short term as well as the long term, whatever you find profitable. Become a Bitcoin miner. I know, Bitcoin is expensive. That is why this method is really for you. Mining is one of the cheapest and easiest ways to earn Bitcoin. Bitcoin works on a blockchain network using various systems to solve highly complex mathematical equations. You can also become a part of this system by solving these complex mathematical equations. Math? Man, I hate math. And you want me to solve complex mathematical equations? Don't worry, you don't need to be Pythagoras or his disciples to mine Bitcoin. There are devices called ASIC that will mine for you. Just buy these mining devices and they will keep operating, bringing you Bitcoins. But be sure that you buy highly efficient and technologically advanced mining devices. Bitcoin faucet websites. If you cannot afford ASICs, then you can use this method to earn money. Luckily, these are plenty of websites that offer you rewards in the form of Bitcoin for completing daily tasks. These tasks can be captures, checking and testing different apps, or pay to click. Just go out there and choose any faucet website for Bitcoin and start earning. Charging in Bitcoin. More and more businesses are looking forward to accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for the services they offer. This opens a whole new avenue for merchants and traders to earn money by being in the same business. Let me explain how. If you're someone who provides services online or who trades online using platforms like Amazon or Alibaba, we strongly suggest you consider charging your clients in Bitcoin. Just open a Bitcoin wallet which your customers will use to pay you. You can use the money for transactions or keep trading with those coins like other day traders. Bitcoin affiliate programs. This is very simple idea. You don't need to go through any procedures. Just refer customers to the web and you will be paid a commission. Bitcoin has this affiliate program, which means that if you are a blogger or own a YouTube channel or a website, you can advertise for Bitcoin. Just join Bitcoin's crypto affiliate program and share the link they provide you with. Share that link and you have done it. They will reward you in Bitcoin. Short selling Bitcoin. It is another great way to earn money from Bitcoin. If you believe or you have the knowledge to predict, you can short your Bitcoins. Shorting is a technical term wherein a trader sells his assets before the price falls. He buys the same assets with the same money but at a much lower price. Here, Bitcoins mean that you borrow Bitcoins with whatever collateral you have. Then, predicting the market that it is going down, you sell those Bitcoins for another currency, like the British pound. And when the market goes down, you again buy Bitcoins using the same British pounds. But now the quantity is high. Next, you return those borrowed Bitcoins to the lender while keeping the difference to yourself. And congratulations, you just made money using nothing but your knowledge. Crypto gaming. You can also earn Bitcoin while playing video games. Wait, so you are saying that I can earn while playing video games? Yes, you heard me. You can earn money by playing video games. There are several games that reward you in crypto when you win. And then those rewards become your real assets. You can sell it or trade it for another currency if you wish. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you'll notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.